Sprang household.
Driving right now to get a haircut. Haven't cut this mop since January, and it is long. Holy cow, it's past my shoulders. I think this is the longest that it's ever been. COVID hair for sure. I don't know how short I'm gonna go, but it's definitely gonna go shorter. Going to our local Hudsonville hairstylist. Anne cuts my hair, and she cuts it good. Did I leave you a big enough mess?
Yeah, it's so great.
Transformation.
Oh, wow.
Complete.
Doesn't that look great? That's awesome.
What do you think?
I like it. Now you look like that picture of you that you showed Grandma the other night when you were about 7 or 8. So Kate's not back yet.
Oh, she's not? I didn't send her a picture of the final thing, but I sent her a picture of all the hair on the ground. She's like, oh my word. Kate is pulling into the driveway right now. She has no idea how short I went with my hair.
She doesn't dare get out of the car. Are you scared to get out of the car?
No.
You better take your heart medication.
Oh my God. Well, I've seen it with shaved head, so it can't be.
Oh, it's worse.
Oh my gosh! You look 10 pounds lighter.
I feel 10 pounds lighter.
Oh, looks so good.
Doesn't it look great?
Oh my gosh. What am I gonna go? Where do I put my hands through?
The top.
There's your neck.
I know.
I haven't seen it for. But what am I gonna do with all my ponytail holders now? It looks so good. I love it.
Come on. That was close. We are in downtown Grand Rapids at Canal Park. Tonight is a very special exhibition downtown. They're going to have World War II airplanes flying across the bridges that you just saw. And Grandma, Bob and Edie are all coming out. And it's very significant because Grandpa, who passed away, flew in a B-25. And those are one of the planes that are going to be coming across in commemorating World War II veterans. Should be fun. And we're getting Subway, so I'm hungry. I'm excited for that as well. Babe, can you hand me my phone? And then get on the other side of Graham. I'll take a picture of you guys.
Maybe I should put mine on. That's great. That was cool.
It's It's the 75th anniversary of the end of World War II.
Oh, okay. That's sure.
This is it right here. Those are the buildings dead ahead.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's at an intersection.
Wow.
There they are.
Cute.
The future headquarters of Bosscraft Retail. Edie, don't you want to run a retail shop? No?
I'm not nice enough to run a retail shop.
Well, it's two-way, but only one lane.
Two-way with a horse and buggy.
You're almost there, Bob. Woo!
Hallelujah.
Solid.
All right, we just arrived in Allegan. Cute little town, very historic. And we're about to meet Lisa, who's the agent who's gonna take us through these buildings. So let's mask up. Edie, what are you doing in there?
I have to have a bite. I'm so hungry.
Lisa?
Yes.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Mind if we film the inside?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
What is the, just for your references?
For references, and then we have a vlog that we're on YouTube.
Okay.
This is Bob and Edie and my wife Kate.
Hi. Very nice to meet you.
And this is the house that's right next door that the owners actually lived in, that owned this building.
Yes, I just got some hand sanitizer.
Oh, yeah.
So you can grab doorknobs.
Yeah, they shut us down and, let me give you that first,
Okay.
and then I get my stuff on, and then I'll give you a skirt. Yes, they did shut all real estate down as of March 17th.
Okay.
And then they didn't open us back up until June 17th. But we could do everything virtual. So, believe it or not, we still had people purchasing sight unseen. So we couldn't physically show properties, but people still needed to buy, so they were buying based on online with contingencies that they're happy once they could physically see the property.
So this is the main building where they had the barber shop.
They had a cosmetology school.
Cosmetology school, barber shop over here. Now is this come with asking price? All the fixtures on
The equipment and fixtures. This was the Allegan Hair Salon, so it was a business that they were running. Her husband had a school to teach cosmetology. When he decided to close and shut down the business, then they took all that out and opened it back up.
Just because I know you like to use bathrooms in places we tour, she said the water's turned off. Please don't use the bathroom.
Back on the land contract.
I gotta go.
This is the house. So this here's the little yellow building.
Everything basically next door needs to be reconnected.
Yes.
Bob, are you ready to learn to cut some hair?
Can't turn the water on.
That's a shower.
Is it really?
Pretty crazy building, huh? 2 possible retail locations downstairs with a building next door that can do retail, and then an apartment upstairs, 2 bedroom, 1 bath.
Those are nice.
Yeah.
And these beads are all original, and they are supported.
That's a little wobbly. Watch out for that.
Buy just the sashes to replace. You don't have to do the.
Look at this. This thing is, it's your can opener. It's right in the wall. That's what I've always wanted.
Floors are definitely not straight and sloped for sure.
He said you could wash my hair here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
See your favorite tub? Clawfoot.
I know, isn't that cool? When we were first married, except I think it was another foot longer and another 6 inches deeper. You could drown easily. And it was huge. And when we filled it all the way up, it totally drained our hot water heater. So we had to wait.
Okay, should we look at the yellow building?
Yeah. No, let's do that.
Sure was great.
And then this was just storage area that they had. This is your bathroom here in the back. And the water and drains. Oh, okay. And then this is your furnace for this building. So it does have its own furnace. This is laid out. And this stair and the access for here goes with the commercial building.
You want to take a look at the roof box?
Yeah, I just like to see what kind of a scupper is down up there.
I think it's just at that back part it's angled down.
How about on this roof? I don't see a drain here. Do you? I mean, what do you think of the condition of the roofs?
If it doesn't leak, you know, the condition is okay.
What about this pooling of water right here?
Well, that's a low spot, and that could be because of the, you know, the roof itself. What's below has sagged a little bit, and that's going to be a problem eventually.
Okay, well.
Yeah.
Edie, you first.
Yeah. Okay, I'll hold the door. If you guys go down and turn to the right, up on the rafter, you'll see a little like main switch power. If you pull the red lever, it'll light the basement.
I've seen plenty of basements in my day.
There's lots of spiders.
Is there?
Nothing like Tennessee spiders though. My heart flashlight's hardly working. Give me yours.
I think it's because it's bent.
There's water down here.
Say it again. What do we need to look for?
Up on the one of the beams and the floor joist, you'll see a little box that looks like a main power switch.
Yeah.
And then either pull down the red lever or push it up.
Okay.
Watch your head, Dad.
Wow. This is like the best part of the building.
Well, it's not as dirty as it. Oh.
It's like a Goonies adventure, babe.
I know, this is where it would be. Where the pipes would be going up and down. Hey, keep those doors open.
It's actually not too bad down here at all.
Really, it's not.
I've seen way worse.
Oh, that other one we looked at over by Sarah's Pizza?
Yeah.
That basement was scary. Oh, ugh. Dad, don't go backwards. That's a dead mouse. You could, I mean.
This is where we can have our secret powwows.
Oh, look it. There's that's gotta go.
What's that?
Do you see that vent?
Look at this here. Has this sagged down?
Oh,
See
yeah.
what I mean there?
Yeah.
Yeah. It does. It looks like it's not connected, right?
Well, either that or you gotta prop it up. It looks like, you know, what happened
your head
is,
right here. Ooh, this is very
see
sharp.
what happened over here?
Yeah.
This thing goes inside the other, and it just kind of dropped down. This must go through the floor too, or not? Maybe.
Oh, Dad, you're right by that mouse. Just, I don't know what. Yeah, go that way.
I did a pirouette. Here's where it heated the whole place here, and probably pull down here.
This right here,
Yeah, this is where.
they put coal.
Well, it could be, but that's for a wood stove or something. That's where they clean out the cinders and stuff.
There's a weird looking creature.
So it's a
Okay,
block.
Cecil B. DeMille.
It's a block basement.
Whew.
See, not stone. Oh, okay. Like gems in your hair.
Thanks for
Okay,
your
thank you, Lisa.
Really.
You too. Thanks.
Let's take a vote. Are we buying it? Kate, are you in or out? Two thumbs up or two thumbs down? Give me your thumbs. One up, one down, two down. What's your ranking?
Currently.
Two down.
Currently at the moment.
Okay, Edie, let's see your thumbs. What do your thumbs have to say? One down, one sideways.
Yeah, that's what I would have done.
That's tricky.
Mom.
Bob, what are your thoughts?
Maybe one up, one down.
One up, one down. Okay.
What about you?
Oh man. Mine is, I think I'm gonna have to go with Bob's. One up, because there are some definite pluses, but then,
Just the cost of the building,
yeah, just the cost.
the potential, you know.
And one down. That's where the Van Sprange band can perform. Remember when we walked into Grandma's apartment all singing and dancing?
That was fun. I think everybody was a little overwhelmed.
There's Bubba's, that's where everyone, that's the local hangout.
Bubba lives above.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Go ahead.
Hello. Hi. Did two ladies come in here? Two lovely ladies. A daughter and a mother.
You're welcome to look outside too.
Doesn't it smell pretty good? So we're at the Shannondorf in Allegan. It's a steakhouse here that raises their own cattle, and it should be really good. Ah! They're here.
I'm going to do the filet, medium, please. And I'm going to do the salad that comes with it. Sorry, I screwed this all up.
And I'll do the cowboy with the mushrooms. Is it onions and mushrooms?
Just one or the other you can get, or you can get both if you would like.
Like a blend?
They saute the mushrooms and then they will put both of them on there for you, or we can put them on the sides, however you would like it.
Yeah, I'll do.
Mushrooms on the side?
No, they can go on. Mushrooms and onions on the side.
Okay, mushrooms and onions. Okay. And how did you want your cowboy cooked before we get to the
Medium.
front? Okay.
Hey, perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm so excited for this.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay.
Mashed potatoes?
Yes, sir.
Right here.
That's right.
You canceled them, huh? Oh my word.
Whoa.
That is a good one.
Oh, that was mine.
Mmm. Wow. That filet is amazing.
How's yours?
Outstanding.
Any bites today?
And then I told Mel about the prosciutto.
Ooh.
Edie, you keep spoiling us.
I pulled out all the stops at Meijer this morning. How can I get them to stay?
You just want us to stay indefinitely?
I haven't even done the big gun yet.
What's that?
I'm not going to tell you. You'll be able to smell it in the air when you come back.
Remember what you said earlier? Ask Edie if we can stay.
Yeah, ask her if we can stay.
You know the answer to that.
I wasn't worried about it.
Kate was worried.
I don't believe it.
Let's see those hands.
Well, they're working women's hands.
Those are boss graph hands.
And this finger is crooked, so if I'm shaking my finger at you, it's really at Kate.
Oh, great.
Mel probably likes that.
I'm buckling up because Kate's driving. Here we go. So we went to Elgin yesterday to go look at some commercial buildings. Very interesting. We'll tell you that they're priced about right. They still need a lot of work. That building would basically pay for itself, and we would have an investment vehicle. On the flip side, we would be landlords, you know, and everything that goes with being a landlord, making sure the building's kept up, making sure the people that are renting are behaving themselves, and all the rest. There's no easy way around it. You know, making money takes effort. And the way that Kate and I see it is that if that area is a growing area and we can live in the building, we can have storage for our business and rent it out and break even or make even a little bit of money, then it could be a for sure possibility. The other wrench that's thrown into the equation is going back and forth from California, because my dad isn't feeling well and we really want to spend time with him and my family in California. So what do we do about that? So the adventure continues. Right now we're on our way to go look at a van. Is it a van? It's like a Ford Econoline that's built out. And we're gonna go check it out. That's the other thing, is we need some sort of large vehicle to store some of our stuff while we're on the road so we're able to ship. And not only that, not only to be able to ship from the road, but also to be able to live in if we want, you know, so we're not wasting money on hotels every single night. So we're gonna go check it out right now. Actually, we're here.
Did you bring your mask?
No.
Okay, I have two.
Oh, nice. Even better. Okay, so here is the van RV, I guess, that we're considering. It's got 114,000 miles and they're asking 30 grand. 2012. Looks like a Ford Econoline.
The only thing it has in it is that sink and little cabinet area. Otherwise, it's got a bench seat across the back and two bench seats across the side, which actually may not be that bad for right now, because it means we still have a place to probably sleep and cook food or store food. Look. It's got a toilet in it. This could be perfect. Doesn't actually have a place like burners, but if you took this out and got one of those air fryers that does everything, it's a pretty small fridge, got a decent amount of storage, sink, and then look at this. So you've got these. And there is AC, I think, right back there? I think that's an AC unit. They said they had one like that.
What do you think about the size of it?
I actually like the size of it. You know what I like is it's a little bit wider, I think. we could make do temporarily with figuring out the bedding situation, just because there are these to sleep on, or right here. But you still have a toilet, you still have this, and you have a decent amount of storage in here. What do you think?
Yeah. Rhubarb pie to go. We're about to head out on the road again, heading back to Nashville from Grand Rapids. This will be our final trip to load up all of our stuff in Nashville and bring it out to Grand Rapids.
Bye, Mel. Hurry back.
Drive safe. Love you.
Love you guys. Thanks for having us.
Here we go again. Back to Nashville. More packing. Wish my parents were coming with us. Bye! Come on, they're so cute.
Here we are. We picked up the rental car. This is a very nice Infiniti QX80. Very comfy. We've rented them before and they're freaking awesome. We're at our first Starbucks and we grabbed some drinks and we're ready to hit the road. Baby, ready?
Very ready. Especially,
Oh yeah, show them what you got. We've never had this in a can.
Starbucks Nitro Cold Brew. It looks really good. I love that it's a black can.
One sip, one review.
Oh, that's potent. But it's actually pretty good.
Are we gonna share one?
Let's go. I think we can each have our own.
Okay. Here's a little view of the Infiniti. And all of our stuff. Fits quite well. We got about a 9-hour drive to Nashville. We stop in Louisville. Road trip. That's what we're good at.